As soon as you not have no money.
Oh, me broke like dog.
Which dog, Keisha? Which dog you broke like?
Oi, a Keisha dog. Sorry, all I bad Keisha them. I know you. I next Keisha that's not bad me attack. You see me say? A true man. Right now me broke like dog. Let me check my pocket. Me broke like dog. Which dog Keisha or which dog lost in my case? Brownie buddy. Anyways, it's our next comment section video. So here you want to know. Oh, it's a Ninja Man and Peanut Jet. I don't know me rate Ninja Man and Peanut Jet. I even Mother Cat too. We still jump back for Mother Cat. But right now, you know the Ninja Man always hot. I went in their jail. Anyways, just like the video for now. Share the video with 3 of your contacts. Not 1, not 2, 3. Just a free ninja and say yes Peanut Jet for now in the comment section. Now let's rock and roll.
Every woman then come together not seeing while wanna cook, wanna wash, while wanna wash, wanna clean, while wanna easier seeing. So white man take with from the culture and carry round here where woman them piss suffer and the man them piss suffer, right? And say I only one woman man title to. You are idiot. Eh? Them they no high fucker now. People no must suffer under them the condition now. Eh? Because your wife now sick. What you feel do now? Sit down and suffer after you want mate. Eh? And she sick. If you have 7 of them around you natty, you not do nothing now, you know.
Some man fi have enough and in a bungle from Rima, from Jungle. Peanut Jet Rasta girl is Peanut Jet say one woman can't satisfy him. Wife in woman sick. He can't meet with her. Peanut Jet that even think about the woman getting ill and help nurse her back to health. He not think about that. Peanut Jet think about his small head. He not think with the big head no. Small head ma think with. But he not have a point still. But nothing. If you have 7 women, guess what gonna happen? Is 7 women gonna have other man because you're not gonna have enough time for service all 7 of them. A matter of fact, you have 1 woman and she still a give you bone. So just imagine 7. You have 1 woman and she give you a headache too, she can't stop. Miserable. anyways, me a chat too much. We're going to the comment section. First comment say anything the G say Allah. Oh, man a king in the earth. How you mean? Which is right. Man want 7 queen. Okay. Fox Peanut Dread. Hey, let me tell you this here. You can't broke if you want multiple women, just so you know. Alright then. So me, hey, Jamaican man different still, man. A Jamaican man we broke like a dog, you know. I still have 7 women for you, you know. Hey. But the whole of them are getting born still. Anyways, man have to suffer upon it, you know. Think a lie. You think a lie, Jed, a real facts. My ribs are hurt me. I guess it's a person that laughs until their ribs start hurt them. Watch a man, on my pocket. Empty. Broke like a dog. Talk no man. Hey, I'll know me not see 1 woman in the comment section. This a person, Prince say, agree with everything apart from the part where him say, him I go sit down and make them walk. I believe all of us use work together, build together, and that way we would have to work so hard cause 7 income. Oh, I guess what he's saying is if everybody, 7 women and the man 8, everybody work, Peanut Jet don't have to go out there and a tile and a labor for everybody. Everybody does a work and just bring in the money, and more people at work, you work less and more money, basically. Real talk, Dread. Facts, real talk. So true, bro. Facts, straight. You see this man? No easy at all, you know. Somebody said that. Yes, easy, Dread. It must easier. Be a laughing emoji. In laughing emoji. Everybody a laugh. And so long comment. Jamaican women would come together if you have money like that. But them not into washing and cleaning. So that part out. They will come together to take all you have and move on. Da da dee da da da. That's why I'm in a date right now. I just stay by myself. Anyways, we're going at the Ninja Man video right now.
You must never, as a young man, never take up a woman that when you put on one, she can put on one too. I mean, I ask you that. That's my foolish time when me just bust. But me have one thing to tell you. Anytime you talking to a woman as a young man, you must be an industrious person. She mustn't be a woman who sit down and lap her fractal, and when you gone, she gone over Dan, gone chat, and over Sharon, gone chat, and over Beverly, gone chat, and your house dirty, the whole of your business are spoiled, and she gone chat somebody else's business. Me need a woman where when me say, alright, here is two, when me come back and say, you know, so me broke, she say, well, Gaga, I'm tell you something. You give me 2,000 the other day, now. Well, I hear me have 20,000 in there, so I have 16,000 or 15,000. If it's even 3,000, I am proud of her.
Hey, what a coincidence. Yo, you know a universe no lie? Made us listen to the first part of the Peanut Jet video and say hit me I work with. And me see the first Ninja Man video come up was this video, and me say hit me I work with. And you see that? Basically both videos are saying the same. Or they're very much similar, except Ninja Man I speak about 1, Peanut Jet I speak about 7. I'm rough right now. Woman forget things, you know, me believe in that. But brother, right now, you have to find a woman we can hold our own. Yeah, man. Cause if you a hold your own or her own, you go pop down and then she gonna left you when you broke. Take it from me. I tell you from experience. Yeah, man. Anyways, let's get into the comment section where our fellow Jamaicans have to say. He said the truth. You're right, girl. Where name? Teens or him? Funny as Ninja Man speak, but this is facts. You're damn right. Man told no lies. Women and man learn from this. Even Emily, she didn't understand what he's saying. Of course she did. But Emily, you know, a society woman. Emily find himself a rich man. I have a couple kids. I never have to work again. As me say, woman forget things. But don't take a last give woman. Because when you take a last give woman and she give you a bun, you're gonna hurt. And when men hurt, men do stupid stuff. And don't do no stupid stuff to no woman, brother. Keep your hand on your own side. Keep your hand like this. So again, don't invest in the hairy bank unless you can afford to lose it. I tell my father this today. No more classless woman. Any real interpreter here, please? We want to interpret what Ninja Man just said. We don't need an interpreter. We know what he's saying. We understand what he's saying. And this point, after 23 kids and 22 different baby mother. Remember, Ninja Man say, him not there with woman who can take care of themselves. Sometimes they even take care of him too. Emily said what? A workless man thing. So a workless woman thing if a man take care of you? No. Well, a tradition still, but we live in a time where women are independent. Women don't need man. So you workless ladies, if a man take care of you, again, woman forget things. This man speaking the truth. One ninja, a wise man. Of course, one ninja I couldn't do. One more comment. Okay. Let's see what this is. Somebody else from Canada. I have no idea what the heck he's saying, and my grandfather is Jamaican. Like I'm too far removed. Dang. So go and go show your grandfather a video, my girl. I'm to you. Anyways, like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'm going to my bed. Stay safe. God bless.
But you love man like dog. No, you know. I love your love man too much, Janko. Take me out of that.